Hi everyone, you're back on Braden's Kitchen, and today we're making chocolate ice cream. So let's go over the ingredients so we can get started. So in this bowl, I have sugar, cocoa powder, and salt. In this bowl, I have milk, whole milk. In this bowl, I have some egg yolks. And in this bowl, I have chocolate chips. So this requires being melted so it all works its way combiningly. So let's go over the stove and heat it up. Alright, so now I'm going to take my cocoa mixture and put it in my saucepan. And also my milk. Then I'm going to put it on medium-low heat. You want it to simmer, but you don't want it to boil. So I'm going to stir this constantly until it's well combined. Alright, I've been stirring this constantly and it's just about well combined. But as of right now, I gotta take my egg mixture and mix it up a little bit. I have to beat my eggs. Alright, now I'm going to put my fork in my empty milk bowl. And now I'm going to finish mixing until it's just about done. Alright, I've let this come to a simmer, and now it is ready. So I'm going to take my spoon out, my wooden spoon out, and I'm going to go over and grab a spoon because we have to take some of this and put it in my egg mixture so that way the eggs don't scramble when we put it in the pot. So, I'm just going to take... Just gonna you know what, actually I'm just gonna take it, pour a tiny bit into here, mix it like this, so that way the eggs don't scramble. Now, I'm going to pour it back in to my saucepan. And then, I'm going to mix this until it's well combined. And then once it's well combined, what we're going to do is we're going to bring this back to the table and pour it into our chocolate chips. And then we're going to stir it constantly because we need to make sure that the chocolate melts. Alright, I was just stirring this and now it's well combined. So I'm going to pour it in to a nice cool glass bowl. Then I'm going to stir a little more. And then I'm going to put this into my fridge for overnight. It's going to cool in the fridge overnight. And I'm also, I already put this in my freezer, but you need to put this in your freezer overnight. So that way it's nice and freezing in the morning. So that way when you take it out, you can blend up your ice cream. And then you'll put it in and then, you know what, I will just explain it tomorrow. Alright, so I let this be in the fridge overnight. So now I'm going to pour in my heavy cream. And my splash of vanilla. But now I'm going to stir it because it can't look like this when it goes into the ice cream maker because then it won't mix right. So once this gets combined, it'll look brown. Alright, as you can see, I've been mixing this and now I have a lovely brown. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to pour this into my ice cream machine. And also, if you want to get this recipe and all other recipes, just remember to go to my blog/website, bradenskitchen.blogspot.com. And I'll have that linked for you down below if you click on the description. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this, put this in my ice cream churner. First of all, obviously, plug it in. Oh. Then I'm gonna do this. So now it's like locked in there. So now I'm gonna plug it in. And then you're gonna let this sit for about a half an hour. And then when it's done churning, you'll put it in the freezer. Alright, so I just finished churning the ice cream. And I'm now going to take it. This isn't much ice cream. But I'm now going to take it and put it in my container, which I'm going to put in the freezer for the rest of the morning and into the afternoon. And I'll probably eat this. I'll show you guys after when I take this out to eat after dinner. Alright, I had my ice cream in the freezer, and it's now nice and hard. So now I'm going to try a piece. So, here we go. It's really good. I feel like it's a little rich, but also I added chocolate sauce too. So get in your kitchen and make this. And you can get the full recipe at bradenskitchen.blogspot.com. So see you next time. Bye.